Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Kids, now we're writing alphabets. First we're opening colors. Cream color. The next one is cool gray color. Cool gray color. Geranium color. Geranium color. Emerald green color. Emerald green color. Yellow color. Yellow color. Light violet color. Stay with us. Pastel pink color. Pastel pink color. And the next one is Persian blue color. Persian blue color. Black color, exactly. Scarlet color. Scarlet color. The next one is pale pink color. Lavender color. First we are using the color of Persian blue. A. A for apple. B. B for ball. C. C for cow. D. D for doll. E. E for egg. F. F for fish. G. G for God. Now we're using the color of yellow. Yellow color. H. H for hand. I. I for eyes. J. J for joker. K. K for kite. L. L for lion. M. M for moon and for mango. N. N for nose and for nest. The next one is O. Kids, now we're using the color of pale pink. The alphabet of O. O for octopus. P. P for parrot. Q. Q for queen. R. R for rose. R for rice. S. S for snake. T. T for tiger. Kids, now we're using the color of geranium and writing the alphabet of U. U for umbrella. V. V for van. W. W for wolf. X. X for Xmas tree. Y. Y for yolk. Z. Z for zoo. Z for zebra. Thank you so much for watching.